What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, it is Andre, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about ClickBank, the easiest way to make $100 per day online, especially in 2019 and beyond. All right, so if this is your first time to my channel, I want to say an absolute welcome. Welcome to the family, and on this channel, I talk about entrepreneurship, how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and tons of other ways how you can use the methods that I share with you on this channel to help you in any way, shape, or form. So whether it's going to be some extra cash you're going to make, or you want to start off and then eventually do online business as full-time. All right, so welcome. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. And for my regulars, happy to have you guys here. Always be a loyal subscriber. So make sure you smash that button, turn on the bell notification. So every time I create a new video, you're going to be the first one to know. All right. So ClickBank, that's what I'm going to be talking about in this video. All right. So I'm going to jump into things right away. I'm not even going to delay, but I'm telling you that this method that I'm going to share with you, you guys can use it to make $100 a day, and you can crush it using these strategies. All right. So the first thing, of course, you want to jump over to ClickBank. So let me minimize this for a little bit. So ClickBank right here, right? And remember, the very first thing you have to do, you have to make sure you pick a niche. There's so many different niche on here that you can choose from. I am just using this video as an example for the health niche. All right. So pick something that you love, pick something that you want to do long term. Don't just do it for the money, because eventually, guess what? You're going to get burnt out and you just don't going to have any more interest in it. So think long term, think of substance, and think about something that you can provide value and content with that specific niche. All right. So I'm going to show you guys the fitness niche, and I'm going to show you how you can crush it and make $100 a day. All right. So what you want to do, you always want to pick. And for me, this is me, right? I don't know about you, but I'm sharing you what I do. So pick a niche that you love, pick products that are recurring payment. So if you click on where it says one-time payment, right, ClickBank will only display that, hey, if you promote this one time, you're only going to get paid once. And that's what a lot of people don't realize, that if you don't click on it and select it, guess what? You're only going to get a one-time payment, right? So if you click on where it says recurring, the system itself will recognize that, okay, you select recurring payments. That means it's already coded, everything is all set. So that way I can consistently get paid over and over from that customer until they are not active anymore, right? So I'm going to use this as an example. And this is Flat Belly Fix. So if you click on where it says promote, right? Click on where it says promote. As you can see, earn 75% commission. Let's say we're going to use this as promo one, right? Promo one, you create and you generate the link. Now, if you look here, you see this where I created a tracking ID and it says promo one, right? That means if you take this link and put it anywhere over the internet, anybody who clicks on it or buys through this specific link, you will receive compensation. So you will earn a commission. So you can click on copy, or you can click on where it says promo link. So what I'm going to show you, you guys don't have to have any money to do this, by the way. I should have mentioned that at the beginning of the video, but I'm going to show you that you don't have to even, start off with any money. So I'm going to show you how to start off on the broke man's plan, meaning that you don't have much money, but you want to make some money where you can invest into higher ticket programs where you can make way more money, because that's what I do. I like higher ticket programs. I like to get involved into educational program because I like to sell education, right? I like to share education and ways how people can make more money without even have to try to go for low ticket items, because who want to burn out so much energy? But if you're brand new, yeah, why not start off here, right? So you can click on here, you can copy this. And there's a specific website that you don't have to buy a domain, right? So if you look, that link was too long. So there's a website that's called bit.ly.com, right? So bit.ly.com, you can create, where it says click on create, you just create that promo link. You can click on here, right? And what's going to happen is it's going to customize a very short link. So if you don't have money, right? If you don't have money to buy a domain or anything, you could just copy this. It's good to have a domain, but if you don't have money, it's all right, right? Use Bitly, create it because it's shorter. Now, here, it's just going to give you a code. And Bitly, you can sign up for free as well, right? You can customize it if you want, right? You can call it Flat Belly Fix, or you could call it Flat Fix Belly, just to flip it around for a little bit, right? So you can customize it. You could call it whatever you want, all right? Let's call it Flat Belly Fix. Let's see if that is even there, all right? So I think you can click on where it says create or all that type of stuff, and then you could do that, right? Just for the sake of this video, you could just use the original, the original link. It's all right. So if you copy this link, right? Copy this link. We're going to come back to this, but I'm going to share with you if you copy this link, right? What I'm going to teach you guys right now, you guys can use Instagram, right? So on Instagram, because it's all fitness, you can create an Instagram account. It doesn't cost you anything. Of course, it's going to cost you time. You got to be consistent. But I'm telling you, once this thing picks up, you're even going to make more than $100 a day. I'm telling you this, right? Because I know it works. So if you click on where it says here, right, fitness, you can do hashtag research, look for the word fitness. And then once you find the word fitness, this is what's going to show up, right? There's going to be a bunch of different people showing their fitness. Now, here's what you're going to do, right? You are going to create an Instagram account. Now, that Instagram account, you can put fitness, right? You can put athletes. Maybe you want to create an Instagram account with just males. Maybe you want to just do females. Maybe you want to do both males and females, right? Maybe you want to do an Instagram account that shows like, food, diet foods and all that kind of stuff. Now, here's the thing, right? A lot of people don't realize that you can use other people's images as long as you're giving credit to the owner. You're not going to have a problem because people on Instagram like it and they love when other people use their content, use their stuff, share it, tag it. That's how Instagram is. So nobody's going to be like, well, you got my picture. If you use it without giving them credit, then some people will have a problem. They will message you and be like, hey, give me some credit. Because guess what? Everybody is chasing the followers. And you don't have to have a lot of followers to crush it on here. So once you create an account, here's what you guys are going to do, right? You create the account. Let's use this as an example, right? This is someone's account. I'm just clicking on it. So if you're watching this, hey, shout out to you, right? So if you look on here, you're going to be starting to post. Now, if you have a brand new account, I would advise you guys to post at least, minimum 3 times for a brand new account. At the beginning, you don't want to seem too spammy. So anywhere from 3 to 5 times a day is good just to get your account up and running. You also want to use hashtags. If you guys don't know what hashtags are, right? If you're brand new and you're a beginner, hashtag is like this. You hashtag, you put the word fitness. Now, I know you just started off, but you don't want to use like hashtags that are too high. So if this is like 310 million, right? You can do some hashtag research. You can type in the word fitness, and if you scroll down, right, you can see like lower hashtags that you can use, right? Lower hashtags, in the 20,000, 15,000, 10,000, 100,000, stuff like that, just to get your page going. So you can use images of other people, right? So every time when you post that image, you don't want to feel like, all right, so look at here, right? I'm not going off track, but I'm just showing you hashtag, right? You don't want to feel like you don't want to like keep pushing that flat belly that we're talking about, right? But you want to start off and start to post different pictures, right? In the link or in the description, you always want to say, hey, you know, maybe like this woman right here, women loves pink. And then you could say, by the way, if you guys want to check out the link for how you can get this specific product, how you can have a flatter belly just like her, right? So you're directing people back to this affiliate link. So once you set up the account, make sure you put in here, fitness. You want to put fitness junkie, all that kind of stuff. Click down here to learn more about fitness itself, right? I hope you guys are with me so far. So you can create an account. You can do a lot of posting, 3 to 5 times a day, because I know people on here that are crushing it. I have a few different Instagram accounts that I'm using to crush it, as directing people back to the affiliate link. So you always say, hey, by the way, check out my bio for more information. So you guys can use, because guess what? Fitness is for me, that's in my head, right? Because it's image. People like images. And when they see all these stuff, right? When they see like, these people, right? In all these things, people want to know, okay, I want to get fit. What's the new thing that helped me to get my belly flat, right? So you can also like engage on other people's Instagram posts as well. So they start to look at you, follow some people, and don't do like the follow unfollow method. You don't need to follow unfollow method, but you can like engage, right? Take notes, write things down, write different people's name down, and like them, follow them, hit them up and do all that kind of stuff. And trust me, you guys can crush it using these methods, right? So what you're gonna do, again, in the final, copy this link, and you're not gonna put the link in the picture itself. You're gonna put the link in the description. I don't know who that is, but shout out to you, right? So you want to put the link in the description, right? So always put the link in the description. Let me see if this person put a link. There's got to be something here. So put your link in the description right here, right? Always direct them back here. Always direct them back. So once you post, direct them, say, hey, boom, go back to my post. Go back to my what you call it? Like this person right here. These are like micro influencers as well, right? Sometimes you could reach out to these people and see if they're interested in do collaboration with you as well. Not a problem. As you can see, this is a fitness junkie right here. She loves fitness. And yeah, you can always hit them up and see if they would love to give you a shout out, shout out to whatever page you create. And sometimes they'll just do it for free. Some people just do it for free. They don't even want to charge you for it. But some people, yeah, that's them. They're influencers, so then they're going to want to charge money for it as well. So I hope you guys, find some good value in this video, right? So share this with others who think they want to learn more how they can crush it on ClickBank, right? How you can make $100 a day on ClickBank using this method right here. So I hope this helps. And yeah, I just showed you the fitness niche. That is the fitness niche, because a lot of people use fitness on their Instagram. All right. So hope this helps. And I hope you guys go out there and crush it. And 2019 is coming, man. No time to mess around. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, give this video some love, and I'll talk to you guys soon. All right. Peace.